Hello everyone, welcome to Super Kalam. I am your mentor and teacher Arpita Sharma here at Super Kalam. Now, the point of this session is to make sure that by the end of this class, all your doubts, all your fear, anxieties should vanish with respect to UPSC 2026 attempt. Recently, prelims 2025 results were out. इट माइट बी पॉसिबल दैट आप में से कुछ बच्चे हो जिनका क्लियर हुआ हो, आप में से कुछ बच्चे हो जिनका क्लियर नहीं हुआ हो, एंड इट ऑल्सो माइट बी पॉसिबल कि आप लोगों ने शायद नहीं दिया हो ये अटेम्प्ट. देर मस्ट बी सम स्टूडेंट्स हियर इन दिस क्लास who did not give the attempt in 2025. They are planning for 2026. Why this class? Because this class is going to first acknowledge the ground reality, the actual reality of UPSC exam, and keeping in mind that reality, how should our path look like, हमारा path कैसा दिखना चाहिए. In this preparation we are going to focus on that. I'm going to help you understand the timeline, the stages in which your preparation has to be done, the resources that you need, the guidance, mentorship, everything we are going to discuss in this session. This one class will be your ultimate roadmap for UPSC 2026. NCRTs, standard books, the confusion between studying NCRTs or studying those standard books, which book to avoid, which book we should never avoid, everything we'll be covering. So please keep a journal, a register, a notebook, small notebook with you so that you can also make down pointers, because ये class आपको complete clarity देने वाली है, but only if you follow it. वैसे तो बहुत सारी वीडियोस हैं, आपको जहां जो वीडियो देखनी है आप देख सकते हो, you have that free will. But I want you to not do that. I want you to pick one mentor, one resource, one guide, and follow it, revise it, stick to it till the end of this preparation journey. Only that is going to help you clear anything in life. And also, confidence never comes from just learning, just planning, just scheduling, just researching or overthinking, over analyzing, going through multiple resources. Confidence comes when you stick to one resource and you take action over it. यहीं से आपके कंपाउंडिंग इफेक्ट शुरू होता है तैयारी में आपकी हार्ड वर्क का. So I hope, keeping this image in mind, we can start this session. First of all, let us first understand the ground reality. सबसे पहले हम एक ग्राउंड रियलिटी समझने वाले हैं इस एग्जाम की, बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट नो द रियलिटी, द हार्श ट्रूथ ऑफ द एग्जाम, देन वी विल स्टे इन इल्यूजन, वी विल स्टे इन अ डिलेमा. एंड व्हेन वी स्टे इन इल्यूजन्स एंड डिलेमा, द टाइम व्हेन प्रीलिम्स आर अप्रोचिंग, वो इल्यूजन्स जब टूटते हैं, then it pains a lot. So I want all of you to first understand the harsh reality of this exam. First of all, we have seen the answer keys. हमने आंसर कीज देखी हैं प्रीलिम्स की, ठीक है. In 2024 we have seen the answer keys of prelims 2024 and we have seen that many questions were removed, right? वो एक first harsh reality हमारे सामने आई. That was the first harsh reality that came in front of us. Second harsh reality is when you give your prelims attempt, you don't know your scores, actual scores. वो आपको पूरी जर्नी खत्म होने के बाद पता चलता है. The scorecard is released after the entire journey is over, right? तो एक रिजल्ट का वेट जो होता है ना, दैट वेट ऑफ रिजल्ट, दैट मेक्स अस एंग्शियस, एंड दैट ऑल्सो रिजल्ट्स इनटू आर वीकनेस ओवर द होल्ड ऑन मेंस. बिकॉज प्री का रिजल्ट 15 दिन के अंदर आता है, वो 15 दिन हमारे इतने ओवर थिंकिंग एंड एंग्जाइटी में जाते हैं दैट वी कंप्लीटली फॉरगेट अबाउट मेंस. थर्ड इज that the time period between prelims and mains examination is hardly of 2 months. That means these 2 months have to be utilized only for revision of GS plus optional plus tests plus answer writing, and we tend to waste it. Why? Because हम प्री और मेंस की तैयारी इंटीग्रेटेड मैनर में नहीं करते, बिकॉज वी डोंट प्रिपेयर फॉर प्री एंड मेंस. मोस्ट ऑफ अस, 90% ऑफ दी स्टूडेंट्स, they focus only on prelims till prelims exam actually comes closer, and then they think yeah, after giving prelims we will switch our preparation towards mains, which is wrong. Prelims and mains preparation has to be done in an integrated manner. Yes, I understand not from day one you will start for mains preparation, but at least you should know that we have to study whatever we are studying, we have to look at it both from prelims and mains angle. वो मैं बताऊंगी कैसे करना, I'll tell you, don't worry. And another harsh reality that we see in this preparation is results हमारे काफी कम होते हैं इस तैयारी में, right? नॉट इवन 1% चांसेस होते हैं, राइट? ये तो आपको पता ही है सिलेक्शन में जब हम देखते हैं कंपैरिजन, व्हेन वी कैलकुलेट हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स फिल द फॉर्म एंड हाउ मेनी एक्चुअली क्लियर दिस एग्जाम. That means this exam is tough. That is first reality that you should be aware of. And second, that this exam needs two things: discipline, which at times is very hard to maintain, and consistency. ये दो चीजें अगर आपकी तैयारी में है, then trust me, nobody can stop you. कुछ कोई रोक नहीं सकता अगर ये दो चीजें हैं आपकी तैयारी में: discipline and consistency. If you maintain this till the end of this preparation, this will give you great results. आपका confidence level boost होगा, your knowledge library will boost, the way you speak, the way you present yourself, your thoughts, your opinion, they are not going to be built since day one से आपके thoughts और opinion नहीं बनेंगे. आपके thoughts and opinion इस पूरे process में बनेंगे. And with discipline and consistency, not just you will be in a position to write wonderfully, you will be in a position to express your opinions very confidently orally. That is the importance of both discipline and consistency in this preparation. So make sure that you follow this. इसको तो आप लिखकर, instead of writing all India ranks, first thing that you should do today is please write down discipline and consistency and stick it in your study table so that you know the first thing that is required. Okay, तो हमने ग्राउंड रियलिटी देख ली. वी हैव सीन द ग्राउंड रियलिटी. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट. ये आपका पार्ट 1 हो गया इस सेशन का. दिस इज पार्ट 1 ऑफ द सेशन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मूव टू यूपीएससी 2026 टाइमलाइन. अब हम टाइमलाइन देखने वाले हैं एंड स्टेजेस. नाउ इफ आई शो यू द एग्जाम कैलेंडर, recently UPSC had released the exam calendar. I hope this is visible. Now, the prelims examination is going to be conducted on 24th of May 2026, and the mains exam would be starting from 21st of August 2026, which almost leaves you with 2 months between prelims and mains. Prelims का एग्जाम एक दिन का होगा आपका. GS and CSAT, you all know about it, syllabus आपको पता है. And mains examination would be of 5 days. We have language papers, we have essay paper, we have ethics, we have paper 1 to paper 3, and we have optional paper. And in optional we have one subject on which 2 papers will be asked, paper 1 and paper 2. 500 marks ka optional hai. So I hope you have selected your optional. If not, then I have a way on how you can select your optional. You go to Super Kalam. Once you go to Super Kalam, जब आप Super Kalam पे जाते हो, here on Ask Super Kalam अगर आप click करोगे, you will see UPSC 2026 guide. It is free for everyone, by the way. You click over here and you see it is written how to choose optional. You click on how to choose optional. Super Kalam gives you a very interesting class. We have made this class how to choose your option, how to decide which optional should be selected. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्लास है. The decision making framework, the ISCR approach to choose the optional subject is discussed in this class. तो यहाँ से आपको वो क्लास मिल सकती है. Similarly, all the strategies sources UPSC 2026 गाइड में सब कुछ है. ठीक है, अब फटाफट से ये समझते हैं. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट कि हाउ वी नीड टू डिटरमाइन आवर स्ट्रैटेजी. अब स्ट्रैटेजी कैसे बनानी है, टाइमलाइन क्या होना चाहिए. ठीक है, नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द टाइमलाइन एंड स्ट्रैटेजी, फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू शुड हैव विद यू इज बेसिक एनसीईआरटीज. क्लास 9 से क्लास 12 की बेसिक एनसीईआरटीज आपके पास हैं फॉर ज्योग्राफी, फॉर इकोनॉमी, फॉर लेट्स से साइंस एंड टेक. इन टेक, साइंस एंड टेक में तो 11th-12th की एनसीईआरटीज आर इंपॉर्टेंट. फॉर हिस्ट्री देन वी हैव 11th-12th पॉलिटी, 11 to 12th, 11 to 12th, 9 to 12th, 11 to 12th, and इसमें 11th and 12th NCERTs. लास्ट 4 चैप्टर्स आर रेलेवेंट. ओके, तो मैंने आपको बता दिया ये बेसिक NCERTs होनी चाहिए. येस, NCERTs आर इंपॉर्टेंट, क्वेश्चंस आर कमिंग फ्रॉम NCERTs. Second important thing that you should have in your preparation journey are PYQs 2011 till 2025. टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. नाउ तो यू हैव सुपर कलाम. यू गो टू सुपर कलाम, क्लिक ऑन प्रैक्टिस PYQs. All the previous year questions, subject wise, topic wise, you can practice here. कोई डाउनलोड करने की जरूरत नहीं. इट इज फ्री, एब्सोल्युटली फ्री फॉर यू. ठीक है, PYQ टूल सुपर कलाम पे आपके लिए एब्सोल्युटली फ्री है. तो वो टेंशन मैंने आपकी सॉल्व कर दी. ये भी टेंशन आपकी सॉल्व हो गई. सेकेंड, येस, करंट अफेयर्स आर इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट. लास्ट एग्जाम से लास्ट 2 years के करंट अफेयर्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इफ यू आर रीडिंग द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर, वेरी गुड. If you do not have the Hindu newspaper, you are starting reading the newspaper but you are clueless how to read it, don't worry, again absolutely free of cost, Super Kalam here on current affair tab you click, and यहाँ पर I have given all the links in the description box. This is the calendar for today. All the important articles GS paper wise are segregated. कोई भी article जो भी including editorials are covered here. You click on practice, you can practice today's 5 MCQs on today's current affairs. If you have missed any month's current affairs, click on monthly magazine. You will get all the monthly magazines over here and you can finish them. Monthly magazine में हर article के साथ previous year question भी जुड़ा हुआ है. So for example, we click on May 2025. I'll show you how it is going to be very useful for you. ये monthly magazines utilize करना बहुत ज़रूरी है आप लोगों के लिए. So you go over here and with every article, see this is the article 21 के ऊपर news आई है, and what kind of question UPSC asked in prelims from this particular current affair, that is also shared, that is also given here. So these current affair magazine by Super Kalam are like a blessing, right? So these are the 3 things that you require initially. All these 3 things are available. NCERTs आपके पास है, this is for free available, this is for free available, और क्या चाहिए? But again, discipline and consistency is the only thing that is required. Now we are going to start our timetable शुरू करते हैं. We have June today, ठीक है? So June 2025 टू, यहाँ से हम यहाँ पर मैं लिख देती हूँ हेडिंग, जून से, चलो यही लिखते हैं, ठीक है, डोंट वरी, आई विल राइट इट डाउन ओवर हियर. जून 2025 टू सितंबर 2025. जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, 4 months, ठीक है. तो आई विल राइट ओवर हियर 4 months हो गए आपके, ठीक है. नाउ व्हेन वी हैव 4 months, what we have to do in these 4 months, we have to focus on NCERTs, we have to complete the NCERTs. 2 बार रिवीजन हो जाएगी, डोंट वरी, इन 4 महीने में ही 2 बार रिवीजन हो जाएगी इजीली. ओके, then NCERTs plus we have to focus on current affairs daily, plus please select your optional and on alternative days start covering your optional. How to select your optional I have told you. Super Kalam can help you free of cost optional selection mein. So NCERTs, current affair plus optional alternative days you can take out. If you are a working professional, you can take out 4 hours very easily. 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours at night. Then weekends pe you can extract more time. If you are a full-time aspirant, then you can easily take out 5 to 6 hours every day, right? So 4 months you have to keep aside for this particular part. आगे बढ़ते हैं, let's move ahead. Then we have October 2025 to Jan 2026. यहाँ क्या करना है? All the standard books that you have, plus you have to practice PYQs, plus आंसर राइटिंग, प्लस ऑप्शनल के बेसिक्स तो करने हैं. ऑप्शनल विल नॉट स्टॉप, वो तो आपको अभी से शुरू करना है. 4 to 5 months it takes to cover the optional, by the way. So make sure you are not starting your optional from September, from October. अभी से start करो. Here what you need to do is June to September, whatever topics you are studying, PYQs आपके यहाँ भी cover हो सकते हैं. Prelims PYQs can be covered here in these starting 4 months also. How? When you study a particular topic, for example, we go to Super Kalam, we go to practice PYQ. It is absolutely free for all of you. Let's say you have studied inflation very nicely today. आज आपने inflation बहुत अच्छे से समझ लिया. Do not just close the book and sleep. After studying and understanding inflation, okay, what you need to do is you go to practice PYQ. You select Indian economy over here. You select inflation topic over here. Click on start practice, and so far from 2011 to 25, 11 questions have been asked on inflation. 11 questions. Solve these questions. It will take 10-11 minutes for you to solve. Look at the explanation. You can understand, study more about inflation over here and see your accuracy percentage. This will ensure that your command on concepts becomes stronger. That is what is needed in prelims now. अब prelims में यही टेस्ट किया जा रहा है कि आप कितने conceptually strong हो. That will happen only when you are practicing PYQs in this way that I told you. And from October to Jan, answer writing शुरू कर देनी है every day. अभी तो आप ऐसा कर सकते हो, after 1 month or after 2 weeks you can start, and not just 1 month or 2 weeks. You go to current affairs, you study a particular article. For example, today we have studied this Axiom space mission article. ये आपने पढ़ा, समझा? With every article there is a mains mock question that Super Kalam gives. After understanding the article, you solve this question. Get it evaluated by Super Kalam. Mains evaluation में जाके evaluate करा लो वहीं के वहीं. So your answer writing practice through current affairs will also start from 1.5 week itself. 1 डेढ़ हफ्ते में जब कंफर्टेबल हो जाओ आप, जो पढ़ा उसको लिख तो सकते हैं हम शुरू कर सकते हैं लिखना, हम इवेल्युएट करा सकते हैं. नाउ वी डोंट हैव टू वेट फॉर एनीवन टू इवेल्युएट आवर आंसर्स, वी हैव सुपर कलाम, राइट? तो दैट यू कैन डू. ये मतलब बहुत स्मार्ट स्ट्रैटेजी मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, ठीक है? Then we have the month of Feb 2026 till April, because May में तो we have the exam. We are going to be in the prelims mode. यहाँ पर all the government schemes, species, programs, ministries, reports, current affair की revision, GS की revision सब करनी है, test series लगानी है यहाँ पर, right? You have to focus on that. प्रीलिम्स की इंटीग्रेटेड प्रिपरेशन है ये. मई में यू विल हैव प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन, मई में तो कंप्लीट प्रीलिम्स मोड. एंड आफ्टर मई, दैट इज फ्रॉम जून 2026 टिल अगस्त 2026, मेंस पे पूरा फोकस. मेंस प्लस एसे प्लस एथिक्स. ऐसे एथिक्स आर, आपको इनपुट ज्यादा नहीं देना, आउटपुट बहुत होता है इसके अंदर, राइट? So you have to focus on it. Intensive तैयारी करनी है. And here in entire all this particular thing, you must be wondering, ma'am, this is monthly timetable that you are giving us. What about how to prepare weekly targets? Daily targets कैसे बनाएं? How to make sure that we follow these daily targets? Over here, I'll show you a small glimpse. There is a focus batch that I am running along with other mentors who have given UPSC interview. एंड आई शो यू द टाइम टेबल. मैंने उसका लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है. जस्ट स्टार्टेड द जून बैच, जस्ट अभी स्टार्ट किया है जून बैच मैंने. ओनली 3 to 4 चैप्टर्स वी हैव कवर्ड इन इंडियन पॉलिटी सो फार. एंड हियर यू विल सी दिस इज हाउ वीक बाय वीक वी आर टारगेटिंग थिंग्स. आपके सामने क्लैरिटी है. I only take in 30 students, 30-40 students, not more than that, because I individually focus on everyone. There is personal mentorship in the focus batch, right, with all the mentors. तो यहाँ पर द इंटायर वीकली टारगेट, एवरी डे इज टारगेट कि इफ 9 to 15 जून वी आर स्टडिंग चैप्टर 1 to 3, कैसे चैप्टर 1-3 को कवर करेंगे, राइट? एंड by the end of 22nd June or 29 June, how many targets will be completed, how many topics will be completed, everything. This is the day-to-day timetable that we share with students. Every day we give daily targets to them, we give mentorship to them. They submit their accountability report wherein they write कि today we have completed these many topics, this many chapter in the batch. संडे को टेस्ट होता है, थर्सडे को टेस्ट होता है, आंसर राइटिंग के असाइनमेंट एंड होमवर्क होते हैं which students submit. So this is how discipline and consistency is maintained in our batch. So I'll be giving you the form also. If you are interested in the focus batch, you can fill the form in the description box. But this is the entire strategic timeline that you have to follow. With respect to resources, as I told you, M. Lakshmikant book Polity के लिए बहुत important है. Along with 11th-12th NCERTs, there are 4 NCERTs. Spectrum publication for modern history is very very important. For ancient medieval NCERTs are enough. अब तो new NCERTs आ गई हैं. For geography 9 to 12th NCERTs are the masterpiece. CSAT के लिए कौन सी बुक चाहिए? CSAT के लिए PYQs are important. PYQs का collection आता है CSAT के लिए. There is a book for PYQs of CSAT. Start practicing through that. Basic maths के concepts हैं जो आपको PYQs के through याद आ जाएंगे. Okay, for newspaper Hindu and current affairs that we are covering on Super Kalam. And make sure that whenever you are starting, जब भी आप शुरू कर रहे हो, starting में ही 10 hour per day का target नहीं रखना. In our focus batch also, in the beginning, I don't overwhelm and overload my students. I start with 4 hours every day for 1 week. I then increase, every week we increase the number of hours. हम अपने फ्लेक्सिबल करते रहते हैं नंबर ऑफ आवर्स, बट आई मेक श्योर दैट दोज नंबर ऑफ आवर्स आर प्रोडक्टिव. इवन अगर हम 3 घंटे भी पढ़ रहे हैं, वो 3 घंटे प्रोडक्टिव स्टडी होनी चाहिए. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ you need to make sure that your next few months should look like. Now here you have to understand one thing. You know the smart strategy now, you know how to select the optional, you know everything, आपको सब पता है. But what you don't know is that whenever we are practicing PYQs or MCQs, we do not write down our mistakes. हम अपने mistakes से ना बचते हैं, लिखते नहीं हैं. Then we wonder what went wrong. We had studied this particular topic. Why were we not able to score good in this particular topic while solving PYQs? Because we did not write our mistakes. हो सकता है कि क्वेश्चन पढ़ने में गलती की हो सकता है जल्दबाजी में आंसर कर दिया, हो सकता है इनकरेक्ट करेक्ट नहीं देखा, नॉट वर्ड लिखा होगा क्वेश्चन में वो नहीं देखा. All these things are important. ये सारी चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है. So what I make sure in my focus batch also, and you can also make sure that you implement this advice in your own preparation journey, that whatever questions you are solving, make sure when you are marking them wrongly or incorrectly, you are writing down why did you mark it incorrectly, what was your mistake, कॉन्सेप्ट की वीक था कि रटा हुआ था इसलिए याद नहीं आया, what was the mistake, start writing it down so that you don't commit the same mistake again. And then you have our mail id ask@superkalam.com. abhi on our telegram community also we are going to soon start the mains initiative answer writing practice थोड़ी बहुत करते रहेंगे. So make sure that you take most advantage of all these suggestions, advices, recommendations that I am giving. सिर्फ सुनकर बैठना नहीं है, इसको फॉलो करना है. अब यही आपके सामने क्रूड पूरा प्लान रख दिया मैंने. दिस इज द एंटायर रफ प्लान दैट आई हैव प्रेजेंटेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. नाउ इट इज ऑन यू to make sure that you stick to it. So in the comment section, I read all my comments. In the comment section, I want all of you to write कि मैम we will follow it. अगर आप लिख देते हो ना, if you write it down, that itself promises me that you are going to follow it. मुझे समझ आ जाएगा seriousness क्या है एक स्टूडेंट की. Okay? So just write it down if you agree with this plan, if you promise me that you are going to follow this plan. अभी भी time छूटा नहीं है. You have time in your hands. Make sure that you utilize it. Thank you so much everyone.